Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 299. Only part of a read process memory or write process memory request was completed. Error partial copy. If you are also facing such type of error code, then basically this is a office related process. So right click on your Microsoft Excel or Word file and choose properties. And here go to security and make sure that full permission of your user account is allowed or permitted to these files or folders. So if you don't found it, then click on edit and give a full permission to these files or folders for your selected user account. Close the window and check whether your error code is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose task manager. And here make sure that all your processing files and folders currently is simply select it and choose end task and restart Windows Explorer. Go to search field and type Explorer. Here select Windows Explorer and from the top right corner choose restart task. And also end all your running Microsoft Office program, Word, Excel file, choose end task and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. Open command prompt windows as administrator mode and in command prompt windows, execute the command chkdsk/f/r. Press enter. It will scan your disk and if you will be asked, choose yes and press enter and restart your system. Your disk will be scanned on your restart and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose run. In run command box, type the command msconfig, msconfiz and click on OK. This command will open system configuration window. Here from the top menu bar, go to services and make the check against option hide all Microsoft services. This process is called clean boot your system and choose disable all from the bottom right corner. Thereafter go to a startup option from the top menu bar, click on it and click on the link open task manager. Here all your startup apps available. Look for any startup apps enabled in your system. Find out enabled startup apps in your system. If anyone found, simply right click on it and choose disable. Apply this process for all your enabled startup apps in your system. Disable manually it and after that close the task manager windows and click on apply and OK to save the changes. Restart your system. Your problem should be definitely be resolved. That's all.